Hi, welcome back to Between the Keys. Another Michael Jackson tune for you today from his Bad album. This one's I Just Can't Stop Loving You. The song's actually in C, but it goes up a semitone at the end to C sharp, but we start in C, alright? There's your C chord. You can play a C on top as well for 4 notes. As an ambulance goes by outside, that's okay. And we often hear this in the song, and that is like C, but with a 4 in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we hear that. And I'm using the sustain pedal down here, which just sustains the notes. You could start it even higher, starting on my 4th finger. And that's quite a nice little melody that plays in between phrases. So yeah, ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. But let's start the song. There's a little intro on C major. Each time the wind blows, I hear your voice, so I call your name. Whispers at morning, our love is dawning. Heaven's glad you came. You know how I feel. Before I carry on, let's look at the chords for that first part of the song, the verse. It was C. Each time the wind blows. I think I played it here, starting on the G, the 5th. Each time the wind blows, and I'm playing a C in the bass. You can play 2 of them, in fact, like that. I hear your voice, so I call your name, and that's G minor. You could play G minor 7 if you like. I call your name, and then it goes to B flat, which is just 1 note difference. Look, if you're on G minor 7, change that bottom note, and you've got B flat with a doubled 5th. I call your name. Back to C. Whispers at morning, and our love is dawning. G minor. Heaven's glad you came. G minor 7. And I'm keeping a C in the bass this time. Heaven's glad you came. So you get a slash chord. You get G minor over C, which sounds really nice. Heaven's glad you came to the B flat. Now we go to F major. You know how I feel, this thing can't go wrong. F minor. I'm so proud to say I love you, and that's A minor. Now we go to B flat. Your love's got me high, I long to get by. E flat major 7. This time it's forever, love is the answer. So it was F, you know how I feel, this thing can't go wrong. F minor, so proud I love you. A minor. B flat, love's got me high, and I long to get by. E flat major 7. This time it's forever, and this one is G. That's a G major, but it's G sus4, so we've got a 4 in the middle instead of a 3, which creates that sound, and you could go to the normal G after that. Love is the answer. Back to C. I hear your voice now, you are my choice now, the love you bring. Heaven's in my heart, what is the next lyric? Heaven's in my heart, at your call I hear harps. That doesn't make sense, does it? Let me just do that again. Heaven's in my heart, at your call I hear harps. That's how we do that. An angel sing to F. You know how I feel, this thing can't go wrong. That could be F major 7 if you like. I can't live my life without you. A minor. B flat, just can't hold on. I feel we belong. That's A flat major. E flat major again. My life ain't worth living. And now we go to F with a 2 instead of a 3. So it's that shape. If I can't be with you, I'm gonna go to the chorus now. I just can't stop loving you. I just can't stop loving you. And if I stop, just tell me just what will I do? flat major, I just can't stop loving you, to C with a 4 instead of a 3. Can't stop loving you, back to the B flat. I just can't stop loving you. And we got da 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 da, G, C, E, F, E, C, G. Nice little bit there. And if I stop B flat, now we got A flat, G minor, F. Cause I just can't stop loving you, back to the C. And a lot of those are slash chords, so the B flat is over G in the bass. Just can't stop loving you. C with a 4, back to the B flat over G in the bass. Can't stop loving you. B flat over G, and if I stop, and this A flat is over an F in the bass. Tell me just what, and the G minor is over an E. Tell me just what will I do, and that F is over a G in the bass. But I just can't stop loving you. And you can see these chords if you go on Ultimate Guitar. It's the first one. If you search the song title and then chords, you'll see Ultimate Guitar, songs in C. And you should find it and you can follow along. Verse 3, at night when stars shine, I pray in you I'll find a love so true. When morning awakes me, will you come and take me? I will wait for you. F, you know how I feel, I won't stop until I hear your voice saying I do, this thing can't go wrong. A flat, feeling so strong. We've covered this already. E flat major 7 to F at 2. I just can't stop loving you. Back to that chorus again. And then after that chorus again, we go to a new section, which is a bridge. Because I just can't stop loving you. And we go to this bridge, and it's A flat major over a B flat in the bass. We can change all the world tomorrow to E flat major. And now we've got a B major over a C sharp in the bass. And he says, we can sing songs of yesterday. Try and find that melody if you can. We can sing songs of yesterday. I think that's where it is. And that's F sharp major 7. After that B, we can sing songs of yesterday. To A major, I can say, hey, farewell to sorrow, to E major. So we had A to E. And this is my life, A flat minor. This is my life, and I want to see for always. That's a C sharp major. And now's when we go to the chorus, but we're up a semitone. So we were, where were we? We were in B flat over G, now we're B over A flat. I just can't stop loving you. And that's C sharp. I just can't stop loving you. B over A flat. And if I stop, now we've got A over F sharp in the bass. Tell me just why. That's A flat over E in the bass. What will I do? That's an F sharp major over an A flat in the bass. B, because I just can't stop loving you. Because I just can't stop loving you. I really like that little melody there. Da-na-na-na-na. Beautiful little melody from the 4. Really nice. And if I stop, just tell me just what will I do? Yeah. And I think that's pretty much it, man. I just can't stop loving you. I Just Can't Stop Loving You by Michael Jackson. One of my favourites of his. Really beautiful song. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click like and subscribe if you did. I will see you in the next one, I hope. And check out this piano, Roland FP-30X. If you haven't got one already. I like this one. And you can find it and all my other gear in the description. And use Amazon links, which supports the channel. And in the pinned comment as well, it'll be there. Alright, cheers.